Hi everyone, my name is Anup Shrestha, if you didn't know me before. Uh, so today I'll be talking about commercial motor insurance. This product is similar to personal motor insurance, which one of Tao, I think that's her name, she presented a week ago. It's similar to personal motor insurance, but the only difference is this is used for the business purposes. So yeah, insured players are similar to uh, personal motor insurance. The minimum level of cover is the third party only. Where you only cover the third party liabilities, the damages that happen to injuries that happen to them, bodily injury or property damage, whether their vehicle or any of their property. And but this does not cover fire and theft. Then to cover this fire and theft, we have another middle level cover, which is TPFT, third party fire and theft, and this covers everything from TPU, including fire and theft. Uh, yeah, but it does not cover any damages to your own car. And for that coverage, the highest level of cover comes comprehensive, where including TPFP, TPO, we also get coverage for damage of your own vehicle as well or your own property, even if you are at fault. So these are the insured periods. And talking about benefits, uh, as we all know, we get payment up to the policy limit if there is any injury or personal property damage. And there is also another interesting fact about this commercial motor insurance, which is legal defense. If there is some kind of accidental lawsuit, then the insurer can pay your lawyers and insurer can pay your lawyers up to the policy limit, also called the indemnity limit. And for damage to your own vehicles, if it is somewhat damaged and if it can be repaired, then the insurer will pay for the repair. And if it's stolen or something like that, if it's totally written off, then you get the actual cash value minus some deductible. And there are also some add-ons like courtesy vehicle. For example, if your car is being repaired, then you get a replacement van or a car. And for another is goods in transit. So you don't just get cover for your vehicle, but also for the value of the goods uh, in transit. Now, talking about some of the exposures, uh, yeah, we know right the type of vehicle. In fact, it depends whether it's a night driving car or long haul car, or whether it's a tourist van driving in local areas. And fleet of size matters. For example, if the fleet of size is 50, then it has greater exposure than a fleet size of 2, right? And radius of coverage. If you are driving in some high traffic areas in urban areas, then you absolutely have more exposure than driving in a rural area. And talking about annual mileage, the more you ride, the more statistical probability of an accident. Now, risk and rating factors. Driver's record. You can see the driver's points on their licenses, any previous accidents, something like that. And about business use, whether you are using tankers for carrying hazardous materials or whether you are just doing for normal, for example, plumber or an electrician using his own vehicle. It depends on that. And location. Pricing is based on where your vehicle is uh, get where your vehicle is garage overnight. For example, if it's garage in some areas where there is high level of theft or in very accident prone areas, then you are surely likely to have more premium to pay. And yeah, about claims history, if the company has a in the last 3 or 5 years, if they have more amount of claims coming, then you will surely have a more amount of premium. And talking about claim characteristics, generally it's lower than personal motor vehicle, but it depends because sometimes, yeah, usually a taxi will be more prone to uh, get involved in an accident than an executive car, right? So, yeah, and severity is increasing these days because of nuclear verdicts and repair cost is increasing because of specialized vehicles these days and new EVs for which we need a lot of skilled manpower. So it can be quite costlier. Also, the claim duration is increasing, as I mentioned earlier, because of specialized trucks and new EVs. It can take more time, maybe for weeks or even months, which can increase the cost of downtime and or loss of use claims. So talking about the type of clients, there is a diverse clientele in here. Sole proprietors like plumbers, electricians, and SMEs, small and mid enterprises like restaurants with small fleet of vehicles and logistic and holdings. So these type of companies, their main operation is vehicle. So yeah, they usually need insurance. I think not usually, but mandatory these days. And about specialized industries, for example, waste management, garage shops, or construction sites like cement mixer, right? And passenger transport like taxi services, ride-sharing operations. And talking about typical sales channels, insurance brokers is the main channel where the brokers don't sell for a single company, but they search for the entire market and bring the best policy for you. And there's another direct writers, which are also known as captive agents. They work for a single company, for example, NFU Mutual Agent, and online or B2C. This is for simpler or small scale industries. So you can buy online, get a quote, right? Talking about market size. In UK, it's approximately 6.76 billion gross written premium, but globally it has a massive industry, uh, approximately 141.5 billion, and it's projected to grow above 150 billion. Main players talking about UK, there is Admiral Group, Aviva, AXA, and what is I forgot the name, Liverpool Victoria, NFU Mutual. NFU Mutual is especially based on agricultural insurance. And globally, there are big companies like Travelers, Chubb, Ping An, which is based in China. And one interesting fact about this product is that many business owners believe that their standard TPO, TPFT, their personal auto policy or their general liability policy will protect them when any employee gets in an accident using their personal car. But this is wrong assumption because your personal auto policy usually has a business use exclusion, so you can't use it for any business use. And general liability policy will cover you if someone sleeps in your company and something like that, but it does not cover auto. So yeah, you'll need to these are products for hired or non-auto insurance coverage. So this will protect you from any kinds of such events because if something happens and third party can sue the business itself in this case. So it's very risky. And the hired and non-auto policy, it's not very expensive, so we can add it to your policy.